My name is Stephanie Irons. I've worked on a variety of things this week. I started off with attaching the prototype intake to the protobot and then moved on to manufacturing parts for the final robot. Because since we attached it, we haven't gotten to testing it that much. We've more been focusing on swerve and elevarm. But it seems to be doing reasonably well from what I have seen. It's just not dropping down to its full extent, which is an easy fix. So.
My name's Nicole Irons. I am very excited for the competition. We haven't been in absolute years, and I'm just so keen to be back in Wollongong, just seeing all the teams, just back in that energy. After COVID, I think it's definitely going to be great for the team.